All right, guys, first of all, thank you for being a part of the Braille community, Braille Army, and coming to this video right here. So we've been reading the comments and we've been seeing a lot of questions, so we decided to follow it up with a
answer.
Skate hacks. Let's go! Skate hack number 1. If you're like, I don't really want to get hurt, just fingerboard. First try! Skate hack number 2. You don't got shoe goo, but you got a hot glue gun and some shoes with holes. So just hot glue it in there and it's gonna just cover that hole nice. Hot lava is burning onto my fingers.
Look at how red. Why is it red or pinkish?
It's hot lava, dude.
Boom, just like brand new. Now you can go to school and get some friends.
Actually really does dry quick.
Oh my gosh.
What? Give me that deodorant, I need to wax. If you're at the skate park and you have no wax, skate hack number 3, deodorant. Smells nice, and it's called swagger. Skate hack number 4, those squeaky trucks. You take the parts of your trucks off and you put dish soap on the bushings and on that pivot cup and that piece of metal right there. And goodbye squeak, hello increased performance on truck turnability. Don't leave home without it. Dish soap.
Skate hack number 5. If your shoes are wearing out, put condoms on your feet.
What does it mean? That was perfect. Too good.
Always use protection for your shoes. Better to be safe than sorry.
Skate hack number 6. If the park is too crowded and you can't get a shot at the ramp, bring your sister along.
Hey, let me get your number.
Skate hack number 7. You want extra style points on your rock to fakie, so Chinese nollie in. Skate hack number 8. If you don't have a flat bar, use your friend's skateboards.
Oh my God. That's never happened.
That was way better than if you landed it.
Skate hack number 9, when the boards that you thought were a flat bar didn't really work out as a flat bar, so you get a flat bar. First try!
That was a good backflip.
Skate hack number 10, if you couldn't land the actual trick, just get your friend to get the photo.
Man, I don't even know if I could jump into this. Let's just hack the photo, dude. Ready?
Okay. Oh yeah. I think we got one. Oh yeah, how's that right there?
Perfect.
Yeah, right
Sweet.
there, right
I'm
there.
gonna send that to your sister tonight, dude.
Oh. Do that again.
Send that to your sister. Send that to your sister tonight.
Skateboarding Made Simple, volume 1 through 7, baby. Number 11, you've been hacked. Skate hack number 12. If you can't really ollie that high and you want to look impressive, just paint a ramp green and green screen the ramp out. No, that ollie was real. That was real.
That's really
That's a
old
real
Braille right there.
That's old Braille. That is the oldest of Braille. Skate hack number 13. If you're getting wheel bite, wax your wheel wells. Oh, bro, I got you. I got you, bro. Let me hit that. There we go. There we go. Right there. That wax up in there. Yeah.
Oh yes.
Now you ready, son?
Let's do it, son.
Woo! Woo! First try! Skate hack number 14. It's been a long day. You're not really feeling the skate anymore. Handboard. First try. Number 15, if the handboarding wasn't working out, stick to the drift trikes. I feel like I'm gonna vomit. Oh, that was terrible. Skate hack number 16. You've been skating all day. Get a little skate 3. First try, burial flip, Gabe Cruz. So sick.
God, you're so good.
I'm the best. I'm the best skate 3 player ever. Skate hack number 17. Learn all your tricks on a trampoline. I meant to do that. Oh! Wow. What? I'm retiring. Uh-oh. Man, this tail just got a little bit too much kick. Let me see if I can flatten it out. Skate hack number 18. If you like your tail flatter, park your car on it overnight. Number 19, you got a brand new pair of shoes and you made sure there was no metal. Stick those bad boys in the microwave. Mmm, delicious. Skate hack number 20. You didn't really want to do tricks, so you got an electric skateboard. Ah! What in the world? Hacked. 21. When you gotta move something really heavy and you got no friends, use your skateboard. A little heavier than I thought, to be honest. Now we're off to the races. Skate hack number 22, Bondo the cracks. I mean, in this case, that's technically like a hole. It's like a full hole.
That is a pothole.
We have gophers in the warehouse.
You would drive over that with a car and get a flat tire.
Let alone skateboarding. Bondo.
The chariot. Oh, snap!
Skate hack number 23, when your friend pulls you in a chair.
And you break one of the few chairs we have in this warehouse.
Oh no, Rowan!
We need more chairs in here.
Like new. Skate hack number 24, when you can't get enough speed, use a bungee. All the way? Are you sure?
You got this, Carlos!
First try!
Can you try, Aaron?
Heck no. That was sick. And last but not least, skate hack number 25. Get a complete skateboard from BrailleSkateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed. All right, seriously guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We had some real hacks in there and some obviously joke hacks. Let's see if you can spot the different ones. And actually some of those ones that you might think are jokes are actually real hacks. I'm not kidding. So yeah, I hope you guys are learning to skateboard. I hope you're having a blast. Please, if you have not started skateboarding, get a skateboard and let's go. Thank you so much for being part of the incredible community that we have built. You guys are absolutely incredible. Leave it in the comments below, #NotificationSquad. I'll be picking one of you guys that have your notifications turned on, you are subscribed, you've liked the video, and you left it in the comments below, specifically #NotificationSquad in the comments below. I'm gonna pick one of you guys at complete random, and I'm gonna send you a little Braille Army prize package. Again, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. Click on the playlist to watch many more rad videos just like this one. You will not be disappointed. Please subscribe, click that like button, leave that comment below, and I will see you in the daily video tomorrow at 10 a.m. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.